Hello investors! Here's our technically speaking trade ideas and commentaries for the week.
In last week's Technically Speaking, the PSEi moved in line with our view that it may experience a pause or correction due to the emerging bearish divergence with the indicators we monitor. From a high of 7,021.04 that it tested last week, the index's correction reached as low as 6,806.46. However, the PSEi successfully exhibited a strong 1.53% rise to end the week, rebounding off the 6,800 support level and proving that its 5-month uptrend channel remains intact. So far, the trend is our friend until it is reversed. To know more what you can do from the PSEi current setup, check out your inbox and read the email we sent you last Friday with the subject, BDO Securities, Things to Do in a Trending Market.
For this week's trade ideas, we're featuring
Monde Nissan Corporation. In February of 2024, Monde broke out of its long-term downtrend line drawn from its all-time high. Following the breakout, the stock is currently consolidating above its previous resistance turn support. Its consolidation allowed us to draw a flag after drawing an uptrend line from its January 29, 2024 low. Monde closed at 9.95 last Friday, and if it rises to 10.52, we can open a position as we expect that the stock may reach our target of 13.20. To manage risks, set your stop level at 9.60 and apply proper sizing as the reward-to-risk ratio of this trade idea is slightly below 3-to-1.
Like these ideas? Take action and log into your BDO Securities account today. If you're a newer investor or trader, be sure to also check out our educational content on our website and our social media channels.